Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Happy Tuesday and good morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We may have a couple of light sprinkles in our southern counties throughout this morning. It's going to be primarily for areas along and south of I-80. Maybe just need to flip on the windshield wipers a couple of times. It's really not going to be a big deal. Won't impact your morning commute. We're otherwise going to have partly cloudy skies for today. A cold front is coming through, so we're going to get into some more northwest winds. And that's going to try to bring in some more clouds from the north here for this afternoon. Within that cloud cover, you could see a couple of pop-up showers. You see some of these greens dotting the cloud cover. And so that's a possibility. If you see that, would be pretty brief, should be fairly light, and really most look to stay dry for today. Once the sun goes down, a lot of that pop-up activity and the clouds will go away, and skies will become mostly clear for tonight. Heading into tomorrow, it's going to be a completely sunny sky, and things look pretty good into Thursday as well. The only downside really to today is going to be the stronger winds coming in from the northwest. Now, maybe not as strong as yesterday, but still gusting up to 35 miles per hour. Then you'll see the winds dipping down a bit here for tonight, about 5 to 15 from the north. It's going to allow temperatures to get back down into the mid-30s. So we have highs today, mid to upper 60s, pretty mild despite that northwest wind. And then as you head into tonight, you're down to the mid-30s. Now, not quite freezing temperatures for most, but anytime you get to 36 degrees or below, you have a chance for frost. So we'll be dealing with that here for tonight, for tomorrow morning. Here's the good news, though. I think it's the last time we'll have to talk about that as you see the warmer temperatures into the 40s and 50s for lows heading into May. So hopefully that will be the last time we have to talk about frost advisories or freeze warnings or anything like that. Now, that being said, next few days looking quiet. By Friday, we're turning very, very active with the forecast. In fact, not only will Friday be a Storm Track 7 yellow alert day, but also Saturday and Sunday, all 3 days with a chance for strong to severe storms. Here's how it kind of breaks down. By Friday, the risk hasn't changed much. We still have that level 2 out of 5 in our southern and western counties right along I-380. Warm front is going to be lifting through, and that will give you, if conditions are right, that could give you the chance for tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind gusts. Now, a lot of questions to be answered here, including how much instability will we have? Can we clear out the morning storms to get that instability? That's something we'll find out more details on as we get closer to the event. Now, that being said, as we go into Saturday, this low is going to track off into Minnesota. That's going to leave a cold front across our area. The temperatures have trended warmer for Saturday. There might be a little more moisture, which means that that cold front can tap into some more instability and give you another chance for severe storms. So that's something we're watching. Now, as of right now, the Storm Prediction Center does not have that level 2 out of 5 risk in our viewing area. It's more so off in Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma with that low pressure system. But again, it's something to monitor as we get closer to it. That low pressure system where the severe threat is focused there for Saturday will then track back into Iowa for Sunday. It's another warm front threat, so you're going to look at, again, all 3 modes of severe weather possible, especially in our southern and eastern counties, but still a lot of details to work out as far out as Sunday. So just pay attention to the forecast, how it changes, and just be ready to alter plans if you need to. Now, along with these storm chances, tons of rain. In fact, heavy rain and even some flooding chances might be possible, as we're looking at a bullseye of 2 to 4, maybe even higher amounts across that red area, which does include all of eastern Iowa. It's going to be very soggy starting Thursday night all the way through early next week. Significantly helping out the drought, though, most likely. Otherwise, as you look at the next few days, pretty quiet. Again, lots of sunshine. Today, partly cloudy with a few spotty showers and a little windy. Winds will die down for tomorrow from the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then they'll pick back up from the southeast on Thursday. So temperatures are a little cooler tomorrow, and then they'll climb back into the mid-60s on Thursday. And then, of course, it's that continuing strong south wind that we'll see for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, kind of setting up those severe chances. Storm Track 7 yellow alert days all 3 days. And then once we get past the rain on Monday, things look pretty warm and a little more quieter, I suppose, heading into the first couple days of May, as we'll have high temperatures in the mid-70s.